Hello traders, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies. Today, I'm going to share with you a super simple and accurate 1-minute trading strategy for pocket option, using just one powerful candlestick pattern and one reliable indicator, the Engulfing Candlestick Pattern and the Bollinger Bands. Watch the video till the end to learn the correct Bollinger Bands settings and see this strategy in action. Quick disclaimer, everyone, binary options trading involves risk. You can lose money, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always trade responsibly, only invest money you can afford to lose, and remember to do your own research before making any trades. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future strategies and tips. Your support really motivates me to bring even more useful content for you. Now let's jump into today's powerful trading strategy. The engulfing pattern is a strong candlestick reversal signal used in binary trading. It consists of two candles where the second candle completely engulfs the body of the first one, showing a shift in market momentum. When combined with Bollinger Bands, this setup provides high-probability trades, buy-trade setup. When the price is near the lower line of the Bollinger Band and a bullish engulfing pattern forms, it signals a potential uptrend. How to spot it? The first candle is bearish, followed by a larger bullish candle that engulfs the first one. Take a 1-minute buy trade when this happens. Sell trade setup. When the price is near the upper line of the Bollinger Band and a bearish engulfing pattern forms, it signals a potential downtrend. How to spot it? The first candle is bullish, followed by a larger bearish candle that completely engulfs the first one. Take a 1-minute sell trade when this happens. Set your chart on the 1-minute time frame. Set your trade expiry to exactly 1 minute. Try trading during the European and New York sessions, as these sessions usually provide clearer trends. Also, avoid trading during high-impact news events to stay clear of unpredictable market moves. Before you risk your hard-earned money, practice this simple strategy on a demo account first. It's a smart way to build confidence and master the setup before trading real money. Check the description box for more details and indicator settings. All right, traders, now comes the exciting part. Let's move over to the live charts. I'll show you exactly how this strategy works in real market conditions. Stay with me, don't skip ahead, because each trade I take will have valuable insights that can help you become a better trader. Ready? Let's dive into some live trades right now. All right, traders, here's our setup in action. Here, the price is near the lower line of the Bollinger Band, and a bullish engulfing pattern has formed. According to our strategy, this is a perfect buy trade setup. But before we jump into the trade, let's double-check the engulfing pattern. The first candle is bearish, the second candle is bullish and completely engulfs the first candle. The size of the engulfing candle is normal. Not too big, not too small. This is important because an abnormally large candle might indicate volatility, which could lead to false signals. Now, we'll wait for the outcome. Will this trade bring us profit? Let's watch and see. The trade closed in profit. That's the power of a well-executed trading strategy. But remember, not every trade will be a winner. That's why risk management is important. Always trade smart and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Now that we've seen how this setup works, let's look for another opportunity. All right, traders, let's analyze this trade closely. The price is near the upper Bollinger Band. A bearish engulfing pattern has formed. So, is this a perfect sell trade setup? At first glance, it looks perfect according to our strategy. But it's actually not. Let's break it down. Look at the bearish engulfing pattern carefully. Both candles are abnormally large. The Bollinger Bands look small in comparison. This could mean an overreaction in the market, rather than a true reversal. In our strategy, we prefer normal-sized candles for better accuracy. A pattern like this can be misleading. That's why we should avoid taking this trade. Do you think this trade will bring us profit? I don't think so at all. Why? Because large candles can indicate strong volatility, making the trade riskier. A valid setup should follow our rules completely, and this one doesn't. Always analyze every setup properly before placing a trade. Just because it looks good at first doesn't mean it's the right trade to take. We lost this trade. But remember, losses are part of trading. What matters is that we learn from them and improve our strategy. Now, let's move on to the settings of the Bollinger Bands indicator. To apply this strategy correctly, you need to set up your Bollinger Bands properly. Here's how. Set it to 9. Deviation. Set it to 1.5. That's it. Simple and effective. These settings will help you spot market reversals more accurately and increase the probability of successful trades. Make sure you apply these exact settings before using this strategy. Now that we have the right indicator settings, let's focus on finding the next perfect trade setup.
All right, traders, we've just found a perfect buy trade setup. The price is near the lower Bollinger Band. A bullish engulfing pattern has just formed. According to our strategy, this is an ideal buy trade setup. Now, let's see whether it brings us profit or loss. While we wait for the trade outcome, let's quickly break down why this setup is strong. The price touched the lower Bollinger Band, signaling a potential reversal. A clear bullish engulfing pattern formed, showing strong buying pressure. The candlestick size is normal, meaning the pattern is reliable. This is exactly the type of setup we look for in this strategy. Just a few more seconds left. Stay focused. Yes! This trade closed in profit. That's the power of following a tested trading strategy. When you follow a structured approach and wait for the right conditions, your chances of success increase significantly. But remember, not every trade will be a winner. That's why it's important to stick to the rules and manage your risk wisely. That's it for today, traders. If you're enjoying these live trading examples, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Your support keeps me motivated to share more high-quality trading strategies. See you in the next video. Trade smart, stay disciplined, and keep learning.